Hello. Okay. Good day, everyone. Thank you for coming into this YouTube channel, uh, Live Signals with Precise Trader. Okay, today is 5th February 2025, and this is Asian session. And do take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Past results are not indicative of future returns. The content on this webinar is mainly educational purpose and usual information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess the risk of your trade with your broker before you put in your trades. So with that, I think we move on to our live signals. Okay, the key data that is be out today. In fact, the data morning we had data from the New Zealand employment change came out to be better. In fact, forecast was minus 0.2 and came out to be only minus 0.1, and unemployment rate was the same. And also, I think President Trump spoke, but I'm not sure what he said for that. I think we need to find out later. Then tonight we have at 9:15 in the night ADP non-farm employment change, and followed by we have a final services PMI, and 2300 hours we have ISM services PMI and crude oil inventories. So these are the key data that is going to be out today. So with that, I think we move on to our live signals and analysis. Okay, the trend on the euro. Okay, the euro, in fact, yesterday was an up close. Okay, and on the daily, and the trend looks like, okay, the market may have bottomed. May have bottomed, and right now we should see the price turning up. So as of now, the range we're looking at is between the 103.20 and 103.90. Okay, and we should be looking to buy near 103.20. So it should be either a cautious buy or buy and hold, and expect that 103.90 to break. If it breaks, then we may see the price moving higher. Okay, towards 104.30 or 104.70. Then when we look into the PT zones, okay, the PT zones are giving us like there is a strong buy on the daily, which means to say that we should be going for a buy. Okay, and looking at the dashboard. Okay, the dashboard right now is 103.80. The market is trading at 103.80, and previous day low was 270, and right now this is trading near the previous day high, which means that any pullback should be limited, and the levels we are looking at is not beyond 103.20. So we should be looking to buy somewhere near 40 or 320 and try to exit before 430. That should be your trade setup, and that's what the system is saying as of now. So now when we look into the chart, okay, for confirmation and see the movement, okay, looking at it, the chart pattern, and looks like, okay, we may have seen the low for euro dollar. So I think now we should see the dollar weakness coming into play, and we should see the price moving higher towards 104.30 or 470 and 530. So once this 570 breaks, then we can be pretty sure that this is going to be in an uptrend. But until then, we got to be a bit careful. So as far as the buying level is concerned, I think we should be looking to buy somewhere. Comfortable buy, okay, comfortable buy should be somewhere near 103.20. So right now this is in a consolidation, so we should be looking to get our comfortable buy as is at 320. So either we can buy at 360 or 350. That should be your entry level, and target should be about 430. Okay, target should be as 430, and let's see what we have given. So we are trying to buy at 365, target at 415. This is a half lot, and this is expiry is until 3 p.m. And we also have another buy at 330. This is until the next two time bells. So trying to exit at 430. I think this should be also a valid call. Okay, let's move on to the next currency. So the next currency we are looking for is pound. Pound, the trend again on the 6 hours, it says flat with an upside view. Daily this was an upside close yesterday, so it is also going to be an upside view. Weekly is also an upside view. So the range we are looking as of now is between 123.95 and 124.95. So we should be looking to buy somewhere near 124. That should be our comfortable buy. Then we should expect that 124.95 to break, and if it breaks, then we should see 125.25 or higher. Then if you look into the PT zones, I think this is also saying that daily this has got a good support. Weekly is also have a good support. So we expect the price to move higher. And right now this market is trading at 124.70. So yesterday's low was 123.80. So we should be buying somewhere in between yesterday's low and today's low. So which means that 124.35.40, that should be one level to buy, and 124.15 or 20 should be another level to buy and exit at 125.25. But of course 124.95 has to break. So if that is the case, so let's see what is the chart is giving us. Okay, the chart is giving us a similar picture. So we'll try to buy at 40, expect this high to break, and if it breaks, we should see 125.20 or 30. Okay, and of course our comfortable buy should be near 124, because that's where the major support. So we have a buy call at 124.40 and 124.90 as a exit, and 124.10, and we also have a buy at 124.10 and try to exit at 125.20. I think these two are both are valid calls. Okay, so let's move on to the next currency, which is dollar yen. So dollar yen, okay, the dollar yen, this is showing, see, in fact today's is trading below previous day low and previous week low. So which means to say that this market is already in a downtrend. Okay, that continuation pattern has already happened. So we should be definitely looking to sell and hold. And on the targets, I think we should be looking further or below 153.15. Okay, so that should be our thing. As of now, we are seeing a range trading. So we should be looking to sell and hold on this trade. So looking at the PT zones, okay, I think PT zones are telling us even our 360 we are seeing in the selling mode. So we'll try to sell near 360 SR1, okay, and or maybe slightly below or near 153.70, which is your previous week and previous month low. And of course the next level to sell should be somewhere near 154.10. These are the two selling levels to hold. Right now market is trading at 153.30. So like as I said, 154.10 should be your selling level, which the system is also saying. So we can sell somewhere near 70 or 75, and 510, and expect the price to push towards 15260. If it breaks, then we can even see 15180. Okay, so this should be your trade setup for dollar yen. So let's confirm that on the chart. Okay, chart, like as I said, we should be looking to sell below 15370 or 70 or 80. So right now we are going to see a consolidation for the next 2 hours. So we should be looking to sell somewhere at 2 o'clock. Okay, 2 o'clock. Either we get 15360, or there would be a slight extension which is 15380, 80 or 90, and we don't expect the price to go beyond 15410 and 15435. Okay, so that should be the trade setup. So here what we are trying to do is, okay, I think we have given a sell call at 5380. So what we can do, I think, because this one I think we can be in the trade, so we don't want to miss this trade. So we'll go on staggered basis. Okay, we'll go on staggered basis. So we'll try to sell at 5360, and this one we'll try to give until 3 o'clock. Okay, so which is another 3 hours. Then we will try to go for one more sell. Okay, this is also a half lot. Okay, half lot at 15380. Okay, then we'll put a stop slightly different level, and this again we will try to exit at 15315. Okay, 15 or 20, slightly better than your current low, but actually we are expecting the price to break the current low. Okay, so we should be having that. Then of course then we have a third entry. Okay, this is a 3-tier entry. The third entry is trying to sell at 5410, and this one we are trying to go for a profit of 15260, and this is until tonight, so we have three staggered entries, so and also half one, so you can decide which one you can go and how we want to trade on this. Okay, the next trade we are looking for is dollar Swiss. Okay, the dollar Swiss, we are seeing the trend on the 6 hours is flat with the downside view. Daily is flat with the downside view, but 9045 is critical. If it breaks, then I think price should be in a downtrend on the daily, and weekly is also flat with the downside view. So we should be looking to try to sell near 91 figure. Okay, that should be our focus. So try to sell near, expect the low to break, and if it breaks, then I think we can see the price heading towards 89.65 or even 89.70 or even lower. So let's see what does the PT zones is saying us. PT zones is saying is flat. Daily is already in a downtrend, so expect this push to be lower. So, and of course we are having a weekly, there is one support weekly and monthly, but once that level clears, I think we should be seeing more weakness to it. Okay, so how we can trade this? Okay, remember your previous high was 91.35. We should be looking to sell near 91 figure. Okay, so which is at RR2 on the 360. So either then, but we are seeing a strong resistance at 1990, 1995 and 1990. So that should be a level to be considered as well. So then again, expect the 9045 to break towards 90.005, and that should be our trade call and trade setup. So looking at the chart, okay, right now we are seeing a consolidation on the 2 hours. So which means to say that we don't see the price having much strength, beyond 1960. But of course, if it breaks, then I think 1990 should be a good level to go for a sell, and expect this low to break. And if it breaks, we should see 1930, and 1930 breaks, then this is going to be towards an extension of this level, which is 9010 or even 90 level. So that should be our focus, and that should be our trade setup. So let's see what we have given for this. Okay, we are trying to sell at 9050, 9050, and trying to exit at 90 and stop at 9080. Okay, and we also have a sell at 9090, stop at 9120 and 90, and this is again one lot, this is half lot. So the only thing is, this one I think we may need to revise the stop to 9095, because we don't want to get it stopped out, then market turn. Okay, then the timing wise, I think we will add on one more hour, because early on we gave at 1300 hours. So now we have changed it to 1400, which is just extended by one more hour. So let's move on to the next currency. The next currency, we are looking at Aussie. Aussie, the trend, it says on the 6 hours is flat with an upside view. Daily is also flat with an upside view. Weekly is also flat with an upside view. So the trade setup we should be looking for is buy and hold or cautious buy. Okay, cautious buy means exit within the range. Buy and hold means expect the high to break. Okay, that is a straightforward answer. So the range we are looking at is between 62.05 to 62.65. So we should be looking to buy somewhere near 62.05, and our stop should be below that level. And when we look into the PT zones, the daily is taken support and showing well, and right now this market is trading at 62 half. And the weekly is also, we are seeing some good support, and so is the monthly. So like as I told you earlier on, expect the high to break and towards maybe 63 or 63.25, where this weekly, this is a weekly critical high. So now, how we can trade this right now, this market, we are having trading at 47, and your previous low is 61.70. So we should be looking to buy somewhere in between current low and previous low. That should be about 62.20 or 62.05. Remember, 62.05 was a 360 critical low. So we should be looking to buy somewhere near that 62.20 and try to exit before 75, 85 or 95. So when we try to exit at 75, 85 or 95, that means you're expecting your previous day high to break and current week high to break, which is 62.65. Okay, let's confirm it with the chart. Okay, the chart says your 360 is already bottomed, and market is looking to test towards this 63.30. If it breaks, then of course it can go higher and it will be in an uptrend. So now, where can we buy? 62.05 can be one level to be considered. Then since this is in a consolidation phase, either we should be looking to buy somewhere near 62.35. Okay, 62.35. then expect this high to break. Okay, if it breaks, then we can see price at least about 63 level as a target, to be seen. So what have we given? We have given a buy at 62.40, stop at 62.10 and exit at 62.80. Then we also have another buy at 62.10. So what we can do, since this market has got no strength and we may see the price coming off a bit, so we'll try to buy at 62.30 and put a stop below 62, and this one will raise it to 62, 65 or 70. So we're just going to have a conservative play, and we are just trying to adjust this level for the entry. Then the other one, I think we want to maintain it, and this is one lot, and this is until the end of next time belt. In fact, next two time belts. Okay. So now let's see, the next one we are looking for is dollar cat. Dollar cat, the trend, it says on the hourly is flat with a downside view, daily is flat with a downside view, weekly is flat with an upside view. So the range we are looking at is 143 and 143.50, which is your 6 hours range. So if it's a cautious sell, try to sell near 43.5 or slightly higher, and expect this 143 to be tested. If it breaks, then we can see the price moving lower towards the previous week low, which is 142.60. Okay, so these are the clues we are getting it based on the system. So the next, we are looking on the daily a strong sell with the weak buy, and weekly is a strong sell, two selling forces in play. So overall, sell and hold or cautious sell. And right now the market is trading at 43.40 and remember, we should be looking to sell somewhere near 43.5 or slightly higher. Okay, so if that is the call, right now the market is trading at 43.40. Yesterday's high was 45.05 and today's high is 40. So I told you somewhere in between, but lower. That means higher than 43.5 but lower than 45.05. So the levels we can sell is either 75, 85 or 95. Okay, that should be our selling level, and of course if it goes higher, then we can even sell at 44.5. Okay, 44.5 is somewhere the RL5. Okay, so let's see, confirm it with the chart. Okay, right now we are seeing a consolidation, and remember, if it breaks, then I think we should be see at least 44.05. So if let's say we have strength, okay, we should be seeing somewhere near 43.70 or 80 to be selling, and for sure I don't think we can see the price going beyond 44, 40, 45. Okay, and we are pretty sure that this thing should be turning, because there is going to be a huge barrier somewhere near this level. Yeah, somewhere that level. Okay, so let's see what signal we have given. So we are trying to sell at 43.80. I think this is a valid call. And trying to exit 43.20. I think this is also a valid call, and we are also trying to sell at 44.05 and 42.85, and I think this should be also a valid call. Okay, next currency we go on, we look for New Zealand dollar. Okay, the New Zealand dollar, the trend. Okay, remember, you see the data came out to be good for the unemployment rate from the New Zealand. So we are looking at on the hourly flat with an upside view, daily up flat with an upside view, weekly is flat with an upside view. So the range we are looking now is 56.45 to 56.65. So we should be going for a cautious buy or buy and hold. Okay, either one, cautious buy or buy and hold, which means cautious buy, range trading, buy and hold means expect the high to break. So that is the breakout. It's, we are looking for. So looking at the PT zones, okay, daily is well supported. Weekly, I think we are getting two forces coming in play. Monthly is also supported. So right now, market is trading at 56.60 near the high and above previous day high. Okay, expect the price to push towards 57.15, which is your previous week high. Okay, 57.15, that should be the level or somewhere in between. So looking at right now is 55, so expect market to be testing 56.80. 56.80, I think there is a strong resistance because we are seeing three places intact, and if it breaks, then probably we may see 57. So on the buying side, yesterday's low was 55.80, and so we should be looking to buy somewhere above that level because we are looking for higher lows. So the level of entry we can look for either 56.30 or 56.20 or 25 or even 56.10. So then our stop loss should be below 55.80. Okay, let's confirm that with the chart. Okay, looking at the chart, I think right now this is in a consolidation phase. So we'll try to buy at 56.40 or 56.30. Okay, 56.30, and expect this high to break. If it breaks, then we can see 56.80 or 19.95, which is also the system also gives us the same answer. So here we're trying to buy at 40 and trying to exit at 56.80. I think this is a valid call, and we're trying to buy at 56.20 and exit at 56.85. So we're trying to exit both at 80 or 85, and that's it. We are not looking any further because we want to have a conservative play on this cross. Okay, the next cross we are going to look for is dollar Sing. Okay, dollar Sing on the 6 hours is flat with a downside view, daily is flat with a downside view, and yesterday was a down close, which means to say that the market may have reversed and the sentiment may have changed, and weekly is also flat with a downside view. So the range we are looking at is somewhere between 35.05 and 35.75. So we should be looking to sell somewhere near 35.75 or below 36.30. That should be our selling level to be used as a reference level or focus. So now we look into the PT zones. The daily, this is saying that this market, this is in a downtrend on the daily. No buying force involved, so more weakness is expected. And right now the market is trading at 35.30, so expect this 35.05 to be tested. If it breaks, then we may see the price heading towards 34.20, which is a previous week low. And on the high side, I think 35.75 or maybe 36. 36 is your previous week high. Okay, that might be your selling price or selling the referral. Okay, so here uh, the dashboard, okay, right now is trading at 35.30. So remember, we should be looking to sell somewhere near 35.75. So we can sell at 35.60. Okay, 60 there we are seeing a strong resistance because we are seeing two levels showing at 35.60. So either we'll try to sell at 35.60 or 75, okay, or even 95. Okay, that should be our selling level. So let's confirm it with the chart. The chart says right now this is in a consolidation mode, and if we are going for a extension of this mode, probably 35.60. Okay, that should be your level to sell. If 35.60 should be a level, good sell level to sell. And higher, probably 35.95 or 36. Remember the previous weekly high was 136. So we have given a sell call at 50, stop at 80 and 35.05, and we are also given a sell call at 35.75 and also around the same price target. So I think this should be a valid call, but if not the target, we can change it to 35.10. You know, if you think, if you don't want to put the same price target. Okay, next we are looking for the gold. Okay, the gold is already making new highs. So, like as I said yesterday itself, I think I did warn that, you know, try not to go for a sell. If you're going for a sell, then it has to be a very quick one, and definitely cannot be trading without stop losses. Okay, and then we are looking to go for a buy somewhere near 46. Okay, this is where your previous day high is. Okay, or worst scenario, somewhere near 39 half, and that is your 120 low. So we go for a buy near 46 or 39 half, and expect the high to break, which has already broken, and right now this market is trading at 56. So expect the high to be tested. Okay, high to be tested. And when we look into right now, is trading at 55.80 or 56. So looking at this, okay, this is a mega force up. Okay, all are pointing up. So when we sell, we got to be very careful. And if you are going for a buy, of course, also have to be careful, but expect the high to be tested. Okay. So like as I said, I will be looking to buy somewhere near 46 or 39 half. So here, when we look right now, the market is trading at 56. Okay, the target we can expect minimum. We have another 1 hour 24 minutes left on this time belt. So we have like a target of 62 or 66. So buying level here, if you are going for a buy, try to buy at 50 or 46. That should be our buying level. And target wise, I think 62, 66 will be a first level. If that level breaks, then 76, 2876 and 2889 half. That should be your final target for today. Okay. So buying, as I said, we look to buy somewhere near 50. Okay. But of course, the stop loss should be a comfortable stop loss should be below 39. Okay, anything above 39 might be a bit risky. Okay, might be a bit risky. So here, let's see the chart. So we are seeing a target of 58 or 85. Okay, this is if it breaks even, we can see 2945. Okay, so as of now, we are still feel that this can go up. Okay, still can go up, and if this is a pattern projection, that might be even higher. Okay, that means beyond 3000. So here, how we can trade? So I told you the stop we should be putting at 39. Okay, that should be our comfortable stop loss. So if you are seeing 39 is somewhere here. So if we are planning to take a buy, we should be buying somewhere 51.80 or somewhere at 50. Okay, 50, and the target we can put it as about 62. Okay, 62. We will try to be a very conservative and cautious player for this, because if the market turns, then it might be a pretty big. So what we can do is, I think we have given a buy call at 45, which we didn't get failed, but 58, 45. Okay, now what we can do is, we'll try to increase this time by 1 hour. Okay, we have a buy at 40 half and stop at 37 half and 60 half. I think this is also a valid call, and this is one lot. So what we can do, okay, our dollar Swiss is filled. Our dollar Swiss is filled. What we can do, we can try to go for a buy. Okay, we'll go for a buy somewhere near 50. Remember, we said 50, we want to be in the trade. So this is 2850 and 2842 4.45. Okay, 4.5, and this one we will exit at 5.8. and this is half lot, and this is we'll put it until 2 o'clock. Okay, until 2 o'clock. Just see whether we can get it 2 or maybe 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock should be fine. Okay. Okay, 2850, 2850, and this is 45 and 2858. Okay, so this one we will try to go and let it go up, then maybe we'll try to go for a sell. Okay, sell if once the high is seen. So as of now, I think we still feel the price is still going to go higher, and we should be looking to test the highs. Okay, so again I'm saying don't play a fool with this, because this can be still going pretty much higher. So only thing is, if we get caught, the only way is we got to wait, give some time, then we try to resolve it. Okay, so I think that's about it for those people who come in late. Okay, we may want to take a screenshot of this live signals, then you manage it, then we'll tell you how to go about in the next session. So I'll be seeing you again in another 4 to 5 hours time. Okay, thank you.